Toyota Yaris 1.5 Hybrid. This is a car that really focuses on making everyday driving easy and comfortable. With 77,773 miles, it combines a 1.5 petrol hybrid engine with an automatic gearbox, so there's no manual gear changing to worry about, and the driving experience is particularly smooth around town. The compact shape also makes it easy to maneuver and park, while the hybrid system is well suited to urban and mixed driving. This is the Excel model, so there's a good level of equipment too. You get dual-zone climate control, cruise control, heated and electric door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and a rear-view reversing camera. There's also Toyota Touch 2 with a 7-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth and USB connectivity. It comes with fresh service, fresh MOT, and 3 months warranty, which can be extended up to 2 years. Nationwide delivery can be arranged too. Overall, if you want a comfortable automatic hatchback with hybrid technology and plenty of useful equipment, this Yaris is a very practical option.